A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a dramatic escalation of tensions between the Trump administration and the judiciary, President Donald Trump has called for the impeachment of Judge James E. Boasberg following the judge's ruling against the administration's immigration enforcement actions. This clash comes amid a backdrop of significant legal and political maneuvering, with Judge Boasberg at the center of a constitutional crisis that could redefine the balance of power between the executive and judicial branches of government. As Chief Judge of the Federal District Court of the District of Columbia, Judge Boasberg has played a pivotal role in high-profile cases involving Trump, including the investigations into the former president's conduct during the 2020 elections and his handling of classified documents. However, it is his recent involvement in immigration enforcement that has thrust him into the national spotlight. Over the weekend, the Trump administration dispatched 3 planes carrying 238 migrants from Venezuela to El Salvador, despite Judge Boasberg's order to halt the deportations. This order was issued in response to Trump's executive action invoking the Alien Enemies Act, a law dating back to 1798 that grants the president the authority to deport individuals from nations with which the U.S. is at war or facing an invasion. Trump justified the deportations by alleging that the migrants were affiliated with Tren de Aragua, a Venezuelan gang conducting irregular warfare against the United States under the direction of President Nicolas Maduro. The situation intensified on Monday as Justice Department lawyers attempted to evade Judge Boasberg's inquiries about the deportation flights, claiming that Trump's power to remove immigrants was beyond judicial scrutiny. This prompted Trump to publicly demand Boasberg's impeachment on his social media platform, Truth Social. In a rare public statement, Chief Justice John G. Roberts Jr. rebuked the notion of impeachment as a response to judicial disagreements, emphasizing the importance of the appellate review process. Judge Boasberg, affectionately known as Jeb, has a storied background that informs his judicial philosophy. Raised in Washington, D.C., he is a Yale University graduate who previously served as a homicide prosecutor. His judicial career began with an appointment by President George W. Bush, followed by a nomination to the federal bench by President Barack Obama, which was confirmed unanimously by the Senate. As the chief judge, Boasberg has been at the helm during critical cases that challenge the Trump administration's policies. His recent rulings have drawn attention to the potential overreach of executive power, particularly in immigration matters. Legal experts have noted that the call for Boasberg's impeachment reflects a broader strategy by the Trump administration to intimidate judges who oppose its agenda. Jeremy Fogel, a retired federal judge, remarked that no judge has ever been removed for dissatisfaction with their rulings, indicating that such threats contribute to a toxic atmosphere for the judiciary. The implications of this power struggle extend beyond individual cases, raising fundamental questions about the separation of powers and the role of the judiciary in checking executive authority. In response to the escalating tensions, Judge Boasberg has demanded clarity from the Justice Department regarding compliance with his orders. His insistence on accountability highlights the critical role judges play in upholding the rule of law, especially in the face of executive actions that may overstep constitutional boundaries. As this legal battle unfolds, all eyes remain on Judge Boasberg and the decisions he will make in the coming days. His rulings could set significant precedents for immigration law and the limits of presidential power, shaping the future of the judiciary's relationship with the executive branch. The stakes are high, and as this confrontation continues, it serves as a reminder of the delicate balance of power that underpins the American political system. With the potential for a constitutional crisis looming, the nation watches closely as the judiciary stands firm against perceived overreach from the executive branch. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.